Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jechu's Writing. Today's topic is cursive handwriting for the beginners. Number names 21 to 30 for the students. So by making a perfect practice, we can able to write cursive handwriting very neatly and fastly. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30. So these are the number names in cursive handwriting. This video is really helpful for the beginners cursive handwriting. Subscribe our channel Jechu's Writing. Thank you for watching.